Hey, g'day, Darcy here with Media Mechanic. Here's that website audit I was talking about on the call. Google's ever-evolving requirements to rank is kind of funny, but what it comes down to is your content on your page. So that's all the keywords people are typing into Google to look for you and your services. That'll be in your content, and Google's looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page and about 1,000 words on every other page. Just more content for them to crawl and kick out to the web. Backlinks, other websites linking back to you. That's a popularity contest in Google's eyes. So the more backlinks, other websites that are linking to you, the relevant ones are your industry. Non-relevant or everything else sort of deal. And then citations. Citations are local directories or local listings that you can put your company information into. So every website could use more content if it was built, later than 5 years ago, sort of deal. But how we measure backlinks and citations is through a paid-for tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs gives us an idea of this URL has this strength. These are three of many factors: your backlinks, your citations, and your keywords to get you ranked. I can see you guys have introduced this in June. There's a history. I can see history here, and this is what a digital marketer will see. So let's get this out of the way. But what I wanted to show you was your competition. Your competition, direct or not, they have some. They have a nice website. They have some content. Nice pictures. Is it optimized? Is it really working for them? Not really. Their results here, approximately 9 people have visited their site in a month. They have some history, but when I go into Google and look up Parkade Maintenance Vancouver, of course we got the guys up top advertising. Then we go into the map pack, and this is where, if you're educated and well known in internet citation world, you will sit here. So these guys have strong awareness in the local listing areas. And then organic search sections here show us that these are the top 3 companies popping up when searched for Parkade Maintenance Vancouver. And then this is page 1. It goes on and on. But this isn't a video to really show you what your competition is doing or what they're not doing. It's how is digital marketing working for you? How is your website that you spent money on working for you? Is it making you money? If it's not, I'd love to help. That's my goal, is to get everybody's website making them money, increasing their online awareness, and utilizing that business tool. So this is Darcy, Media Mechanic. I really appreciate your feedback, some insight to your thoughts on this video and how you're utilizing digital marketing. Bye for now.